Why do we say iron salt aerosol needs to be developed and tested? At the very least, it's to get the technology ready in case conditions suddenly worsen. It might be needed at very short notice, and it takes time to design and test aerosolizers and work out the best way to coordinate their usage and best practices and so on. Then we see it as a sustainable technology. It already exists in nature and so comes pre-tested, at least somewhat. We cannot see how it can harm any ecosystem and not even the ozone layer in the stratosphere. It's not high tech, and we think the most expensive aspect of it will be the research and extensive measurement needed. Even then, much of that can and should be done by satellite, which is a cheap way to take measurements over very large areas. Lastly, we see the risk of deploying it as low. It really ought to be deployed without conditions worsening in order to prevent them from worsening. We see the risk of not deploying iron salt aerosol as much greater than the risk of actually deploying it.